Is it time to buy or sell Rocket Lab USA stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Rocket Lab USA. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of January, 2025, our system has identified Rocket Lab USA as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.72. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, reflecting a loss of 5.28% thus far. This equates to an average daily loss of 2.64% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth within this trend. The 3-month trend points to a possible increase of 130.12% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between 91.08% and 145.25%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 218.69% over the next year, with potential returns falling between 48.63% and 237.37%. This corresponds to a price range of 44.3 cents to 99.93 cents after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Rocket Lab USA includes the headline, Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock price fell more than 5.28%, closing at $29.62. The Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock price fell by 5.28% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025. The price dropped from $31.27 to $29.62. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 6.12%, reaching a low of $28.44 and a high of $30.18. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 2.85% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased on the last day in tandem with the stock, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movement. On that last day, trading volume decreased by 34 million shares, with a total of 28 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $815.44 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $31.64, while the lowest was $3.47. Currently, the price stands 6.38%, or $2.02, below the 52-week high of $31.64, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rocket Lab USA Inc. is making headlines today with multiple developments that could influence its stock price. The company has secured a contract with Aurora Tech to launch a dedicated mission using its Electron rocket for global wildfire detection. This partnership showcases Rocket Lab's commitment to innovative satellite applications and may enhance its reputation in the growing space systems market. However, not all news is positive. Rocket Lab stock has experienced some volatility, seeing an 8% decline today after a substantial 30% surge earlier this week. This fluctuation can be attributed to investor sentiment, particularly in reaction to broader market trends and political developments, including President Trump's renewed focus on U.S. space ventures. Despite the short-term downturn, the long-term outlook remains optimistic. With a growing backlog valued at $1.05 billion and a strategic position in the expanding space economy, Rocket Lab is poised to capitalize on increasing investments in the sector. Analysts are cautiously bullish, suggesting that while some projections indicate a potential price drop of 25% in 2025, the company's core operations and upcoming launches could drive its stock value upward in the long run. Investors should monitor Rocket Lab's upcoming missions and partnerships closely, as they will significantly impact both short and long-term stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned RKLB a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank rated RKLB as overweight, also with a hold action. On Friday, the 27th of September, 2024, KeyBank again rated RKLB as overweight with a hold action. On Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, JMP Securities assigned RKLB a market perform grade with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 14th of August, 2024, Citigroup rated RKLB as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Rocket Lab USA stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rocket Lab USA. The stock of Rocket Lab USA Inc. shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. Additionally, there is an overall buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $26.07 and $25.51. A decline below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could affect short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 21st, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 5.28%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. In addition, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which lessens overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 116 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 165 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 159 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support risk and stop loss for Rocket Lab USA. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $25.44 and $24.16. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this could lead the stock to the next support level. In this case, Rocket Lab USA Inc. finds support just below today's level at $25.44. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $24.16 and $24.06. This stock may exhibit significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility with a large prediction interval noted in the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.74 between its high and low, representing a change of 6.12%. For the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 10.12%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rocket Lab USA, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profit and pose possible risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 25th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -9 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rocket Lab USA. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rocket Lab USA is at $31.27. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rocket Lab USA encounters its first support level at $25.44. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rocket Lab USA from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of January, 2025, Kozla Ventures VA LP sold 1,500,000 shares of common stock. On the 13th of January, 2025, Kozla Ventures VA LP sold 5 million shares of common stock. On the 7th of January, 2025, Beck Peter bought 50,951,250 shares of Series A convertible participating preferred stock. On the 7th of January, 2025, Beck Peter sold 50,951,250 shares of common stock. On the 11th of December, 2024, Frank Edward H. sold 20,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 26.601. Overall, insiders purchased 56,815,129 shares and sold 119,774,879 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $27.89, reflecting a decrease of 5.84%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is Rocket Lab USA stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Rocket Lab USA Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears overvalued. For trading on Thursday, January 23rd, we anticipate that Rocket Lab USA will open lower by 207/10,000ths of a dollar, starting trading at $29.41. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before you engage in buying or selling any securities. Please do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best wishes from all of us here at StockInvest.